computer virus. A computer virus is a piece of code or program developed to corrupt the data or program files stored on the computer system. It enters to the computer without permission of the user. The user of the computer may not even realize that the computer is affected by a virus. Viruses normally infect just one computer. However, if the computer is a part of a network, then the computer virus may spread to other systems, much like a human virus which transmits from one person to another. After entering to the computer, they hamper the normal functioning of the resources of computer, such as processing power, memory, and installed programs. Sometimes a virus slows down the speed of computer or even damages the hard disk of the computer completely, which may not be recovered or repaired. Virus stands for Vital Information Resources Under Siege.
We have learnt about different types of malware. The damage caused by a virus is unexpected. It can corrupt the system software or destroy data. So this explains what a computer virus does and how it affects your device. Now let us learn about computer viruses in greater detail, which will help us to stay cautious and prepared in case of a virus attack.
Harms caused by computer viruses. Different viruses will affect your computer in different ways. They can crash your hard disk. They can destroy all or some of your data. They decrease the processing speed of the computer. They can reduce or block the memory of the computer or hard disk. They stop you from restarting your computer or keep on restarting your computer. They send emails from your account without your knowledge. Types of computer virus. There are various types of computer viruses that infect the computer in different ways. The most commonly known categories of computer viruses are program file virus, boot sector virus, macro virus, email virus. Let us learn about these in detail. Program file virus. A program file virus, also known as file infecting virus, is a type of computer virus that infects executable files. Program files such as .exe, .com, .sys, etc. files to make them unusable or damaged permanently. When an infected file is executed, the code of the virus is also executed. Once a virus has been executed, it remains active in the memory of the computer and can infect more programs. Sometimes a program file virus is called file injector. The most commonly known program file viruses are Jerusalem and Cascade. Boot sector virus. A boot sector virus is one of the most hostile types of computer viruses that infects the boot sector or the master boot record (MBR) of hard disk or floppy disk. Once a computer system is infected by a boot sector virus, any disk connected to the computer will also be infected. The most commonly known boot sector viruses are 𝐂𝐥𝐮𝐬𝐿 and Stoned. Macro virus. A macro virus is a type of computer virus that is primarily designed to infect a specific type of document such as Word or Excel files. If we open a macro virus infected document, the macro virus gets active into the memory and starts infecting other documents. Sometimes a macro virus sends itself by attaching with email to the people in the user's address book. Melissa and Bablis are the most commonly known macro viruses. Email virus. An email virus is a type of computer virus that transmits from one computer to other through email messages. Some email viruses can also be transmitted as an infected attachment with the email message. it gets active into the memory when a user opens an infected email or attachment. It sounds very simple, but an email virus can erase files, destroy information, and can cause computer crashes. How does a computer get infected with virus? Computer viruses spread through several ways. Some of them are using virus-infected CDs or pen drives, opening an infected email attachment, downloading an infected program from internet, pen drives, CDs or DVDs, running an infected program which can be a game, screensaver, etc. through local computer networks. How do you know your PC has a virus? An infected computer system will start displaying unusual messages on the screen, load the programs late, take more time to shut down the windows, increase the size of the infected files, change the file names or types automatically. How to prevent from a virus? Download only legal software. Don't open any unknown email. Don't open any email attachment from unknown sources. Don't download music, program or games from unknown sources on the internet. Install an antivirus program in your computer system. Scan pen drive, CD and any other external storage device for viruses before opening in computer.